Hey everyone, welcome back to Art of Abhi. Today we are diving into something seriously cool, a glowing animated particle effect using geometry nodes in Blender. It's easy to build, super fun to tweak, and perfect for fantasy scene, motion design, or just flexing your node skills. So let's jump in and start creating. Alright, let's start from scratch. Keep the default cube in your scene and head over to the geometry nodes editor. Click on new to create a new node setup and rename it to particle node setup. Press Shift A and search for mesh to volume. Drag it just before the group output node. This node converts our mesh into a volume, basically a cloud of voxels, so that we can scatter particles inside it more naturally. Now search for distribute points in volume and place it right after the mesh to volume node. This randomly distribute points throughout the volume, and these points will soon become our magical particles. Next, we need a way to place objects on those particles. Add an instance on point node and connect it after distribute node. Now add an icosphere. We'll use this as our particle shape. Connect it to the instance point and set its radius to 0.02 so that it appears like a small glowing orb. To make the particles look more random and organic, let's vary their size. Add a combine XYZ node and plug it into the scale input of the instant on point node. Then add a random value node, connect it to X, Y and Z of the combine XYZ node, set the minimum to 0.02 and maximum to 0.35. Now each particle will have a slightly different size, making the effect feel more natural. So let's animate the particles now. Add a set position node, drag out the offset input and search for vector math node. Set the operation to subtract. This will be used to move particles dynamically. Now add a noise texture node and connect it to the vector math input. Change it from 3D to 4D. This is what allows us to animate the noise over time. Set all the vector axis to 0.4 for smooth random movement in all directions. Now to increase the number of particles, go back to the distribute points in the volume node and set the density to 40. This gives us a nice dense particle cloud. Let's animate the W value of the noise texture. Simply click on it and type #frame divided by 150. Then hit spacebar to preview. You will notice the particles move quite fast. Let's slow them down by changing it #frame divided by 1500. Much smoother now and perfect for dreamy magical feel. Next, we'll work on the particle material. Go to the shader editor, click new and rename it to particles. Add an emission shader and delete the principal BSD out. Connect the emission output to material output, then search for object info node and connect its location output to color input of the emission shader. This will give each particle a random color based on its position. Set the emission strength to 25 so the particles really glow. Go back to the geometry nodes editor and add set material node just before the group output. In the set material node, choose the particles we just made. Now we'll give them an actual glow in the final render. For that, go to the compositor tab and enable use nodes. Add a glare node between the render layers and composite node. Set the glare type to bloom, quality from medium to high, strength to 2 and size to 0.55. This adds that soft glow to each particle. Back in the 3D viewport, press Shift A to add a camera and set up your framing. Under the render view, enable camera option so your composition matches the scene. Also, if you want your particles to be solid color instead of multicolor, go to the shader editor, disconnect the object info node from the emission shader. Now you can pick any color, red, blue, green, or whatever fits your theme. For more control, you can add hue saturation value node between color and emission and adjust it to your liking. But for this thing, I will stick with the multicolor setup. It just looks more magical. And that's it, your magical particle effect is now ready. Also, this is the final geometry node setup as you can see on the screen. And this is the material node setup. And that's it, your magical particle effect is now ready. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. If you try this out, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see what you create. I will be back with another fun Blender tutorial. Take care, keep creating and follow Art of Abhi for more.